Good morning. Once again, I'm back. I'm the HVAC supervisor vlog. Today I will show you a typical AHU. My my last vlog I show you a AHU with DX system. But now this is a typical AHU supplied by chilled water. This AHU is made by Daikin. You can see. In this compartment, you can find the bag filter, and inside of this, the pre-filter place location. You know that one? That is a temperature sensor by the BMS, so that they can monitor the return temperature. And that one is the actuator. You can see the actuator. That is a 0 to 10 volts. This is the thermometer. Supply thermometer. And the pressure gauge. 2 bar. You can see. There is always two pressure gauge and thermometer in every AHU that is located, and there is located in the supply, and there is also located in the return. That's why that is the return. This AHU also have a cooling coil and the blower. We cannot see the blower now because I want to show you the blower wheel. That is the blower wheel with 3 belt driven by blower motor. 3 belt. This is PE. Sorry, it is not clear, but I'm trying to show to all of you this kind of AHU. Now we will go to the panel board. This panel board have a BFD. You know this BFD? Because there is a VAV in every room, variable air volume. Once the VAV closes the damper, this BFD will regulate the speed of the motor so that it will not exceed to the maximum setting of the pressure of the air pressure in the duct. Like a common panel board, there's isolating switch, breakers, and contactors. This motor is a Y delta. You can see it, the Y contactor. Now the monitor of multifunction meter. You can see here the voltage, amps, Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please support my channel. And in the next video, I will show you different type of AHU also. Huge AHU. There in the, what do you call? The basement of this hospital. We can find a huge, a big air handling unit. And I'm trying that to take video also, so that I can show it to all of you. Okay guys, as for now, bye bye. God bless you all. And by the way, we will start the unit. Start the unit. Now it is now working. Thank you, bye. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy, and especially to the beginners, AC technician beginners, you can adapt idea here in my blog. I will show you the latest model also of different type of AHU in the future. Thank you guys. God bless you all. Please support my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.